Hey everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Jen here in the house. So I got my base box and I have my premium box. I thought we'd go over what was in both of them and see which one was better this month. If you want to see what I got in there, then just keep on watching. Thanks. All right, so regular Boxycharm is $25 a month. Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month, and boxyluxe is 4 times a year, so we won't get that again for a little while. I was super excited about my premium box and ready to talk about it, and I was so excited about what I was seeing in everybody else's base box that I thought, oh yeah, it's gonna be a good month, and then I was totally crushed whenever it got here. So we are Sunshine is the theme. And let's just get into it. Let's just not bullshit. Let's just go. So the item that I picked for my base box was the 111 Skin. It's a pollution booster, so it's supposed to help protect your skin from pollution. Use 1 to 2 drops a day, put it on your palms, and apply it with your favorite moisturizer. So there you go. Water, glycerin, rosemary, you know, some things. Looks to be very natural though, to be honest. So $135. I'll never be able to purchase it, but here it is. The next thing, I don't know. I just feel like Stila does this best. This is Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Shadow in the color Gold. So I tried to get a Q-tip and like put that on there. I sort of had to pat it out with my finger because it was kind of splotchy and like, I don't know, it just wasn't that great. I guess I'll go ahead and swatch it with the regular applicator and see if that helps. I don't know, it just looks so splotchy to me. I guess like it looks pretty good on camera. But if you're looking at it up close, it looks very splotchy and not that shiny. So it's sort of like, really? I mean, I don't know. They say this retails for $25. This is definitely not better than the Stila. I would never buy this over that. And theirs is just a much better glitter. This is just like a liquidy shimmer, and I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know. I don't feel like that's worth $25. And I've never heard of Studio Makeup. But isn't it that super, super cheap brand that's in Walmart on like an end cap? I'm gonna look next time at Walmart. You watch. So the next thing is Ace Beauty, which I actually like Ace Beauty. I was really hoping for the blush palette. I'm so glad that they did the bronzer palette, and I think that this would be great for medium to deeper skin tones. I think this caters to you, and that is so amazing. For me, I'm not even sure that this lightest shade would be a good bronzer for me, just because I'm super fair. The Hoola Light, the Charlotte Tilbury Fair bronzer, all of those work really good for me. They look super dark on my skin, so I'm not sure I could go any deeper than this one right here. So I'm not going to swatch it just because I may try to sell that in a Facebook group. I don't know. But this retails for $30. I could try it out. I do like the brand. I think they're a really good brand. It does have talc, mica, dimethicone, trimethicone, all the cones, you know what I'm saying? All the cones right here. So this wasn't that bad. Next, we got the Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle and Energizing Eye Mask. There's 12 pairs, which means there's 6 sets. You just put them on under your under eye and rejuvenate it. Water, glycerin, vegetable protein, amino acids, xanthan gum, mica, castor oil. Doesn't sound that great. 21 bucks. I do want to open this up though. I wasn't going to open it, but now I'm like, perhaps I will. Or perhaps I won't. Okay, as long as it goes fast, because I'm not going to sit here forever and fucking struggle, because that sucks. Alright. It's going down. Okay, so it comes in individually packaged, and it legitimately is 12 pairs. There's 12 of these little packages in there. So that's actually pretty good. I got their eye roller, but I didn't use that. But I can use something like this. I just prefer not to have something that's individually packaged. It's just a one-time use mask. It's not good for the environment. I just told my wife, I was like, that's not good for the universe. So same thing, you know what I mean? Stop it. Next and last, we have the Dolce Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen Eyeliner, waterproof eyeliner in black. And I'm like, how many black eyeliners can I have? Send a fucking brown or a plum or something. I'm tired of getting black. So this retails for $21. Make it thin or make it thick. And that's it right there. I made it thin. So this is variation number 66, which is fucking insane. There used to be like 5 or 6 variations and that was it. And now it's kind of out of control. So I don't think that it's the same as it used to be. I am not happy with this box. I would not have gone out and bought any of these things individually. And I only picked this because I was like, of the 3 things I had to pick from, this was the lesser evil, but I didn't even want this. So it's just like, base box totally blew this month. It wasn't worth it. So 135, 145, 155, 160, 190, 210, 232. $232 value for the base box for $25. I think coin-wise, that makes sense. If you just bought this, then you got this one item and paid $25. So I paid $25 and got all the 5. So next, I think this one got a card this month too. I was super excited about that. Again, Sunshine. The first thing that we got is the Morphe X Manny MUA. This is an eyeshadow palette that also has a full-size mirror and 2 highlighters. I did use the highlighter Nova the other day. I really liked it, but I think Apollo could be pretty good too. I like the colors in here. I think that this is really nice. So I was excited to get it. You know, when it first came out, I wanted to buy it. So see, those are the highlighters, and they're not that blinding, but you can get your brush wet and build them up. This is Morphe formula. This is not Lunar Beauty formula. But I'm glad that I didn't buy this when it came out, and now I have it and got it in a subscription box because I'll definitely use it. So that's good. The next item was the item that I picked. This is the Kenia Ontiveros Beauty, KENIAONTIVEROS Beauty. It's the Blush and Shine Kit. No mirror. I did use this the other day. I've used this color, and then I used this highlighter, and I swatched all of these. So let's just go ahead. These are super, super soft. And they're actually more glowy than the other ones to me. And this one here has like a duochrome type flip. It's like a champagne, but it's pink. This blush doesn't show up that good. It's swatched pretty good on the finger, but on the face it doesn't show up that great. So I went in with the next color to give myself some depth, and that worked out. Oh my goodness, I forgot to turn off my notifications. I'm sorry. Anyway, so I did like this, and this is the item that I picked. This is $42. Not bad. Blush and Shine. Okay. So 62 so far. All right, the next thing is the Folly Fire Matte Lipstick Trio. These are 3 matte lipsticks, and they do... Wow. Deep Burgundy, Pink Nude, Red, $39.99. I did not know that's how much these cost. And I was looking at the colors because those are the colors right there. And I thought, oh, I'd wear Sunset Boulevard. And then you pull it out and it's like, holy shit. I think it's the one on the other side. Yeah. So you're thinking like this one will be the lightest color. This will be like a nice nude shade. And then you open it up and it's like, it's fucking hot ass pink. Hot ass pink. That ain't no nude color. That's not nude. And $40 for 3 lipsticks? Like, I've never even heard of this brand, so it's kind of crazy to me. Then they had Full House, which is like a dark ass red, and then a bright red. There's no nude in here. Like, that's, I'm sorry, but there's no nude in here. And I don't know, I'm just not, I wasn't excited about this. Like, look at this color. When the fuck am I ever gonna wear that? I'm not. It's straight up, I'm not. And then the other one's an even deeper color. So I wasn't excited about this, and I think it's crazy that it's $40. $40. $40. Let's set it. All right, the next thing is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray for $22. I will say I like the packaging on this. This is very nice for what it is and the brand. Love the packaging, really do. Let's see. The mister's nice. It does smell like coconut, like right up in your face. Woo! Okay. This is luminous, ultrafine with micro pearls with a delicate glow and a healthy coconut scent. Take your ass to the beach. I'm super oily, so I don't really need a glow, but I mean, I'll use it because you can mix it with a matte and have a little glow with the little matte and all the things. So I'll do it. But I wouldn't just buy this, just saying. Then, oh, yeah, I already said that was $42. Those are $39.99. Then we have the Bitter Green Essence Toner, which I have in my bathroom. I just have the box here because I'm cheating. This retails for $95. It's more thick, so it's kind of like an aloe, sort of like toner jelly type thing. I did put it in my spray bottle with my other toner just to see if it would spray out. It does. It actually feels quite nice on the skin, so I will be using this. I have been using this. This is 5.07 full ounces, so it's quite a bit of product, but $95 is pretty crazy. It's by BYROE. Biro? I don't know. It's good for your mature skin. Okay. Last but not least, $18 for CUCCIO Natural Luxury Milk and Honey Cuticle Revitalizing Oil. I may as well take this out of the box too. We'll just get rid of the boxes here. Dun, 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 dun. So I actually used this the other day, and I like to play with my cuticles, so I didn't do it on all of them. I know that sounds weird, but you just put your little drop on, and really you don't have to have any drops in the dropper. And then I just rubbed my cuticles together and then go like this and like this and then this and this. It's such a nice, faint, lovely smell. You could also use this on your toe cuticles. It feels really, really, really nice. And with wearing gloves every day and a mask and all these things, just a little bit of pampering is nice. So this is a lot of product. 2.5 full ounces. And this is only $18, but I'm excited. It smells good, so it's actually one that I would use. I'm going to stick it up here with all my other nail stuff, and voila. Lovely. I need to repaint my toenails. So this box was 20, 60, 70, 80, 90, 120, 215, $235 value. For $35. So basically, if I bought, the setting spray and the Mani MUA palette, then I would have paid for the box, and that means the other three things were just free. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 things in this box too. I personally really liked my premium box. I thought it was fantastic. I will use the spray. This will look really pretty sitting up on my thing in there. The only thing I wasn't excited about was the matte lipsticks. But I think once it turns into fall, warmer weather, and I'm wearing deeper lip shades, that these will be fine. That pink could go okay with some of the things I wear as of late, so we'll see about it. I much preferred my premium box over my regular Boxycharm box, like my base box. I'll use the eyeliner. I'll definitely put this in with my moisturizer. I'll try this out, but I don't know. It'll probably crease and not look that great, but I'm over here judging and it'll probably be my fucking favorite. I think I'm going to go ahead and give it a whirl with this and use like the lighter 2 colors here. I just wish they had made a light palette and then a deep palette, and then they would have gone off of our quiz so that people that needed their color range or whatever would have the appropriate palette. So I do wish that that was a little bit different. These, I just wish that they wouldn't send out sheet mask or single-use items. It's not good for the environment, and it's just not very animal and violent friendly. I want to be friendly to the universe that I live in. It's just who I am. So that's it. That's all. So I love my premium, not so big on my base, but we'll see for next month. If I don't get any of like the big name brands that everybody else has been getting, like everybody got Hourglass or Sol de Janeiro or something really fucking high-end and fabulous in their boxes, and I didn't get jack shit nice, expensive, and name brand in any of mine. So I'm really put out by that shit. But I'll be sure to review it and they'll know my thoughts. So if you were the first person to comment on the last video, you'll now be featured here. Thank you so, so much. I appreciate you for having a notification bell on, being subscribed, and interacting with me. You are the best. If you want to be featured in the next video, be the first comment on this video and you will be featured in the next one. So I'll see you in the next video. Have a good week or weekend. Be sure to subscribe. Follow me on my social medias. Always linked down below. And give this video a thumbs up if you like Boxycharm videos. Do you like it when I compare them, or would you like me to do them individually and try on? Sound off down below and let me know, and I will see you later. Do good, be good, you are good. I love you. Okay, okay. All right. Bye. By the way, I just wanted to say, this is me in my mask makeup with no complexion. Yeah. Side by side. Grubbo.